In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PDF in FigJam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can bring your PDF content into a FigJam board quickly and cleanly. First, make sure you're in the FigJam file where you want the PDF to live. If you've just opened a new or untitled board, that's perfect. Having the right board open ensures your import lands in the correct place. Now, look to the very top left of the screen and click the FigJam icon. This opens the main app menu for your board. It's the hub for file-level actions, so whenever you need settings, exports, or imports, this is where you'll start. From that menu, choose File. Think of the File menu as your workspace control center. It groups everything related to the file itself, saving, importing, and other document-level options, so you don't have to hunt around the interface. Next, select Import and Open Files. This will bring up your system's file picker. Navigate to your PDF, select it, and confirm. FigJam will begin uploading and processing the document. Depending on the size and number of pages, this may take a moment, so don't worry if you see a brief progress indicator. Once it's done, your PDF will appear on the canvas. In most cases, each page is placed as an image object that you can move and arrange like any other sticky or shape. If it appears off to the side or zoomed out, simply pan or zoom to bring it into view. You can drag to reposition it and use the corner handles to resize. Hold Shift while resizing to keep proportions consistent and avoid distortion. A few tips for a smoother import. Make sure you have edit access to the board. View-only access won't let you import. If your PDF is very large or has many pages, consider splitting it into smaller chunks to speed up processing and reduce lag. If the PDF is password protected or uses unusual fonts, you might see flattened text or slight visual differences after import. That's normal when PDFs are converted to images. For clarity during workshops, try placing imported pages in a clear area of the board and add labels or arrows to guide collaborators. If the import doesn't appear right away, try zooming out to locate it on the canvas, or check your network connection and reattempt the import through the same menu path. FigJam icon, File, then Import and Open Files. That's it. You've successfully brought a PDF into FigJam using the built-in import flow. Thanks for watching.